Family friendly.
Ready?
Family friendly.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Oh, here, start over. Hey everybody, this is Brad Jones with Brad Jones Classic Car Art Photography. Here we are at Pomona, California at the Fairplex, here to check out some really badass rides. So come on, let's go cruise through and check out and see what's going on. Woohoo! Oh yeah.
My dad was saying it yesterday. My mom and dad's neighbor were asking me, hey, you know, they started this, trying to find it.
That's what I'm talking about. Wow. California slam style, man. Woohoo! Oh yeah, this is SoCal style right here, baby. Damn. We may as well just keep on trucking. Yeah, you don't mess around with a goat. Yeah, this thing's smoking. Man. Yeah, this is bad.
You got to stretch your legs as far as you can. Fix your leg now so your knees won't bend. You got to bend your hips. You got to bend it good. Shuffle your arms like it's all in wood. Doing the dirt.
Okay, there we have it, Pomona show. We hit this much of this much. 5,000 cars at the Pomona show, but we got a cruise. We're going on this side of the mountain. We're going to the Pomona show from Burbank. We're on Bob Hope Drive to check out some of the classics. We'll run into Jay Leno today. I don't know. Check this out. Woohoo! Come on, let's go.